Lyon, one of the most ancient French cities, has been elected as the French food capital, and it is one of the most relevant gastronomic centers in the whole world. France has always had a prosperous territory that has produced the very best ingredients since medieval times. It is said that the profession of chef started in France in the 1600s, under Louis XIV. Many wealthy nobles required personal chefs for their castles, and many people began to work in the industry, given the high demand and decent pay. Modern and contemporary chefs in France work with excellent products and complex recipes. And jumping to the present times, Paul Bocuse has been one of them. The famous French chef established his restaurant in Lyon and worked there with all of the fantastic ingredients France can offer. He left a clear mark on Lyonnaise cuisine, and tourists nowadays can travel to Lyon and taste outstanding French dishes and products in many restaurants around the city. Welcome back to Town Travel Tips. In today's video, we will discover the 5 must-try dishes in Lyon and eat like a local on our trip to the very heart of France. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are a curious traveler and want to learn more about beautiful cities and traditional recipes worldwide. Have you already done that? You are gorgeous. Let's get into it. Number 1. French cheese. All the best cheeses from all over France arrive in Lyon's typical Bouchons. A Bouchon is the equivalent of the Italian trattorias and is a tiny restaurant where traditional dishes are prepared with ancient recipes and local products. France counts over 400 types of cheese, and given the list is long, these are the only ones you cannot miss. Camembert, a creamy cheese with a soft inside and full-bodied and salty crust. Saint-Marcellin, a little creamy cheese from Isère, situated southeast of Lyon that fits in the palm of your hand and is made from raw cow's milk. And last but not least, the famous Emmental. Emmental is produced in France's northern regions from raw milk. The scent and taste are smooth and sweet, and the inside is silky. It often appears in French recipes such as quiche Lorraine, gratin, and fondue. Number 2. Salade Lyonnais. Salads in Lyonnaise cuisine are not necessarily light and dietary dishes. A green salad made with frisée and dandelion leaves is topped with lardons, croutons, a poached egg, and mustard dressing in the classic Salade Lyonnaise. A popular entree on Bouchon menus. If you are looking for a quick and nutritious lunch during your visit, it might be the right dish for you. Number 3. Quenelle. A quenelle is a giant dumpling prepared with flour, water, milk, butter, and eggs. The Lyonnaise version adds fish, usually pike, to the filling. Then the mix is worked to incorporate air and create a light mousse as a result. The dumpling is topped with a sauce, the standard option in Lyon being sauce nantua, a bechamel crayfish butter combo. There are plenty of flawed versions out there, so make sure you get it somewhere that requires a 15 to 20 minute wait. The best performances will provide a light, airy dumpling with an unmistakable fish taste in a luscious, creamy sauce. Number 4. Poulette de Bresse. These are the most expensive of the elegant French chickens, coming from just north of Lyon. The Poulette de Bresse must originate from farms in the Little Bresse area, which is located immediately northeast of Lyon. Blue-footed and beautiful, these large, fluffy white birds have a protected regional status and live completely free-range. Traditionally, they are braised with French herbs, carrots, and onions, and served with a morel mushroom cream sauce. Although expensive, this dish is a real treat during your French vacation. Number 5. Tarte à Praline. Tarte à la praline is a traditional sweet treat in Lyonnaise cuisine. Tarte à la praline is a stunning, vivid, rose-colored dessert with a short crust pastry filled with a mixture of crushed almonds, eggs, and cream for a finely textured filling topped in red or pink sugar. After a rich Bouchons meal or during a chill afternoon, this cake will be your comfort food. Let's now talk about our bonus food for the day. French cuisine and Lyonnaise traditions are so rich that it has been hard to pick between the many choices. But we opted for Coussin de Lyon. This blue dessert is a must-try in Lyon and the typical treat at the end of the meal. Invented by a famous chocolatier, Chocolat Voisin, in 1960, they are now produced on a large scale, still using the original recipe. Dark chocolate ganache, flavored with curacao, is wrapped in blue marzipan and molded in a little pillow. Have you ever been to Lyon, or are you planning a trip to France? Let us know in the comments section. There you have it. Those are the best dishes that you should try while in Lyon. Also check out our video on how to spend 48 hours in Paris and get the most out of your weekend getaway. Did you find this video helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on our following videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Ciao!